Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com, and today I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite recipes for coleslaw, and it's called Coleslaw That Keeps. Why do we call it that? It stays fresh in your refrigerator for 2 or 3 weeks. It's fantastic. So we are going to begin with 2 pounds of shredded cabbage. And everything kind of gets pickled together, so you don't have to worry about it going bad. Then you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. The sugar is kind of what it helps keep it from going bad. Then you're going to add in a 1/2 cup of either green bell pepper or red bell pepper. It's completely up to you. It's your coleslaw. And then I'm going to add a cup of chopped white onion. Now I like to use the white onion because I think sometimes the yellow onions are a little hotter and the white ones aren't as hot. Now we are going to just set everything to the side, and now we're going to make the dressing. We're actually going to have to cook it. So we're going to begin with 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. To this we're going to add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, corn oil, safflower oil, whatever. I've never made it with olive oil, just a very neutral oil. Then we're going to add in, another teaspoon of sugar because, everything's better with just a little bit of sugar. And then we are going to add some celery seed, a teaspoon of celery seed. And then we are also going to add a teaspoon of salt. So not a lot of salt goes in here. And finally, a teaspoon of dry mustard. And this is what's going to make up the dressing. So you're just going to give this a quick stir, and you're going to bring it up to a boil. It's not going to take too long at all. And after it comes up to a boil, you're basically just going to pour this over the cabbage and stir it up really well. And then you're going to have this fabulous coleslaw that keeps. I actually have some in my refrigerator now that's a couple weeks old. You know what? It's fantastic. Just love the stuff. Okay, so you can see right here, the mixture is coming to a boil. So just about like this, give it another quick stir, and we are just going to pour it all over the cabbage and toss everything really well. So my family's been making this recipe for, I think, at least about 50 years. This is actually my grandmother's recipe for coleslaw. It is always a family favorite. So after it comes to a boil again, just pour it over the cabbage salad right there and give it a quick stir. And then just put it in the refrigerator. Now I store mine in, just a plastic kind of like Tupperware container, and I just leave it, and it's fantastic. So I encourage you to give this recipe a try. This is great for picnics or the summer, or anytime you want a quick and easy side dish. So let me know what you'd like to see next, and thanks for watching.